out of this vacuum cleaner once and for all. Hi everyone! Today we are going to learn about Alphabeta. I made Alphabeta. It's a new version of the alphabet. It uses different symbols. Here is how Alphabeta looks like. So let's write down the letters. So this is how A looks like. B is not like that. It's tilted like this. C like this. D like this. A like this. F like this. And then G like this. H like this. I like this. J like this. K like this. L and then M, N, O. It's not. Oh yeah, it's like this. No, not a chord. It has it in the middle. And then after O comes P. Q, R, S, T, and then U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So this is how the Alphabeta looks like. So let's try spelling my name out of this. First is K. And then E. Y. A, and then comes N. What's N? Oh, E again. So this is how you spell my name. You can write code like this, and no one will ever know what to write. Okay, so please do like and subscribe, share with your friends. And see you in the next video. Bye!